WordPress or Squarespace? Which one is right for you? In this video, we'll compare WordPress and Squarespace. This will help you make the best choices for your needs. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the basics. WordPress is an open source platform that powers over 40% of websites worldwide. It's super flexible, but you need to get your own hosting and domain. It's great if you want full control over your website. On the other hand, Squarespace is an all-in-one website builder. It includes hosting, templates, and customer support in a single package. It's perfect for beginners who want a simple, hassle-free experience. Now, let's dive into the key differences. Ease of use. Let's start with WordPress. WordPress has a learning curve. You'll need to install themes, plugins, and manage hosting. The way WordPress works is you install a theme, then customize it to match your design specification. To add more features to your site, you have to install plugins. This might be difficult if you're not familiar with the environment of WordPress. However, once you get the hang of it, you can build a highly customized site. To create websites in WordPress, you don't need to code, but if you want to, the option is available. Squarespace. Creating websites in Squarespace is extremely easy. It's a drag and drop website builder, meaning you can click, edit, and move elements around easily. No coding is required. So if you're a beginner and want something quick, Squarespace is easier. If you want more flexibility and don't mind the learning curve, then WordPress is better. Customization and design. WordPress offers thousands of themes and plugins. Whether you want a blog, portfolio, or e-commerce store, you can fully customize everything. But to add some advanced features, you have to install some plugins. There are several plugins and themes available for you to install and add to your WordPress site directly from your WordPress admin dashboard. To design your site, you can use page builders. Page builders are separate plugins that you have to install. Now let's talk about Squarespace. Squarespace has beautiful modern templates, but customization is limited compared to WordPress. You can change colors, fonts, and layouts, but you can't modify things as deeply as WordPress. You can browse and look for beautifully designed templates for your site. There's a theme for almost every kind of website. Once you get a theme, you can customize it using the drag and drop features provided by Squarespace. Now, if you want total creative freedom, go with WordPress. But if you prefer sleek, pre-designed templates, Squarespace is a great choice. Now let's talk about SEO and performance, and we will start with WordPress. WordPress has powerful SEO plugins like Yoast, Rank Math, etc., giving you full control over metadata, image optimization, and site speed. However, it requires manual optimization and good hosting for fast performance. Now let's talk about Squarespace. Squarespace has built-in SEO tools, but you have less control. You can edit titles, descriptions, and URLs, but advanced SEO features are limited. So if you're serious about ranking on Google, WordPress is the better choice for you. But if you need the basic SEO without extra effort, Squarespace works just fine. Now let's talk about e-commerce and monetization. If you want to sell products online, both platforms offer e-commerce options, but they work differently. So let's start with WordPress. WordPress uses WooCommerce, which is a free plugin that turns your entire site into a fully functional online store. You can create unlimited products, you will have multiple payment options, and custom features, but you'll need to manage your hosting and security. Again, WooCommerce is just one plugin. There are several e-commerce plugins for WordPress, but WooCommerce is one of the most popular e-commerce plugins for WordPress. In fact, there are many other plugins that you can install to enhance the features of your WooCommerce plugin. If you want to learn how to create an e-commerce store in WordPress, you can check the video description for a tutorial. Now let's talk about Squarespace. Squarespace has built-in e-commerce, making it easier to set up. However, it has limited payment gateways and fewer customization options compared to WordPress. Also, some e-commerce features are only available in higher tier plans. So if you want a powerful, scalable store, go with WordPress. If you need a simple store with fewer products, Squarespace is easier. Now let's take a look at the pricing. Let's start with WordPress. Although WordPress is open source, you still have to get your own domain and hosting. And there are many popular hosting partners for WordPress. We are going to take a look at WordPress.com. If we take a look at the pricing page, you can choose from pay monthly, pay yearly, pay every 2 years or pay every 3 years. So there are variable plans. So if we choose the pay yearly, which is a lot common, we get up to 55% off. Now with this, we can take a look at the plans. There's the personal plan, the premium plan, which is the popular one. There's the business plan, commerce plan, and enterprise plan. The personal plan is $4 per month, and you will be billed $48 annually, excluding taxes. This gives you 6 GB storage, unlimited pages, posts, users, and visitors, free domain for 1 year, and a lot more features. The premium plan, which is $8 per month, you will be billed $96 annually, excluding taxes. You'll be given more features such as 13 GB storage and a lot more features than the personal plan, such as upload videos, connect to Google Analytics, premium stats, etc. The next plan is business, which is best for devs. You will be billed $25 per month, $300 annually, excluding taxes. This will give you a lot more features, and an interesting fact is here you can choose how much storage you need. The lowest is 50 GB. You can include 50 GB plus 50 more gigabyte, but you will be billed $50 per month for this. So you can choose how much storage you want and you will be billed accordingly. And here with this plan, you also get the priority 24/7 support from WordPress experts. And this also gives you access to SFTP, SSH, WP-CLI, Git commands, and GitHub deployments. And the next plan is the commerce plan. So if you are planning to build an online store or an e-commerce site with WordPress, you can choose this plan. It starts with $45 per month and you will be billed $540 annually, excluding taxes. This also allows you to pick how much storage space you need, and based on your choice, you will be billed accordingly. And with this, you also get e-commerce tools and optimized WooCommerce hosting. The next plan is WordPress VIP enterprise level. It starts from $25,000 a year. Now let's talk about Squarespace pricing. Now Squarespace has annual and monthly plans. If we take a look at the annual plans, it starts with $16 a month with the personal plan and goes up to $52 a month with the commerce plan. The first plan, which is the personal plan, it gives you mobile optimized websites, templates to fit every needs, free custom domain, send invoices for free, and 0% transaction fee on invoices. If you pick the business plan, which is the best value, and the business plan is $23 a month, it's for those audience who wants to grow and start taking payments online. You get advanced analytics with this plan. You can also see you can sell products and services, check out on your domain, and advanced shipping. Now, these are e-commerce features that you didn't get with the personal plan. Now, there are two commerce plans, the basic commerce plan and the advanced commerce plan. Let's take a look at the basic commerce plan first, which is $28 per month, which gives you advanced e-commerce features such as advanced shipping, powerful merchandising, and you also get 0% transaction fee on invoices and 0% transaction fee on online store transactions. Now, this plan is also ideal for e-commerce sites. The advanced commerce plan is $52 per month, and it gives you even more advanced features such as advanced discounting, and you can sell subscriptions. So these were the annual plans. You can also choose the pay monthly, but the annual plans have the best value. So you can choose whichever tier is best for you. Of course, they give you free for 14 days, so you can use it for 14 days and see if Squarespace is exactly for you. So which one should you choose? You can pick WordPress if you want flexibility, advanced customization, and full control over your website. On the other hand, you can choose Squarespace if you want a simple, beautiful, and hassle-free website with minimal effort. Both are great. It just depends on your needs. So let us know in the comments which platform you prefer and why. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more website tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.